Alrighty guys, Chippy 12 here with a booster of Innistrad. Let's open it up. Okay, start off with a Selfless Cathar, Curse of Oblivion, Ambush Viper, Dream Twist, Shimmering Grotto, Moon Mist, which I needed for my werewolf deck, Walking Corpse, Smite the Monstrous, Spidery Grasp. First uncommon is Scab Goliath, Galvanic Juggernaut, Bramble Crush, and a rare is Artifact. Oh! Nice! Mythic Rare. Grimoire of the Dead. That is awesome. Okay, so then we got Tips card, Checklist, and a foil Gatstaff Shepherd. Well, that's an awesome pack. Alright, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and check out Unless You Zombies channel for more Magic videos.